Hi, I'm Erin from Bitrix24 Gold Partners Interface. In today's quick win video, I'm going to show you how you can apply an action to a group of tasks. This may come in handy if you need to update a lot at once, or perhaps if you create a lot of tasks for other employees, or if an employee has left the business and you need to reassign them to someone else. So if you go to tasks and projects, and then you can select them by ticking them in the list. Or if you would like to select them all, go to For All, Confirm, and then select your action. So for example, I would like to change the responsible person. Select Apply. And then you can see all of the tasks have been updated. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch for a full demonstration, or to find out more about this and other solutions, go to interface.com/solutions.